What's up, everyone? How's it going? Today's gonna be a little bit different because I have a shoot for a client and I have to leave in just a little bit. So to say the least, I didn't have enough time to put together a regular photography tutorial, but I did want to put something out for you. Something I find is cool, it's a little tip, it's useful, so let's get started. When I started this channel, I wanted to show you not only photography, but all the other things that I find really cool. I'm a big DIY guy. I love making stuff. I built this desk, that shelf, these lights, this wall, these tabletops. I just love building stuff. For me, there's no better feeling than, working really hard, completing a project, and it becoming really useful, like this antique looking cutting board. I built it, it's a prop, and I want to show you how to make it in this video right now. So here's what you need. Dark wood stain, a piece of wood, a knife, or you could just buy a brand new cutting board and apply this technique to it. And in that case, just skip all the next steps. But for me, I'm gonna be carving out this cutting board using a circular saw, sander, sandpaper, drill, measuring tape, pencil. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, a blowtorch. I love this thing. Where's my creme brulee at? Okay, so what I'm doing here should be pretty simple. I'm gonna cut this board in half. That should give me two good sized cutting boards. And then I'm gonna shape a handle out of one end, sand it all down smooth, use the knife and make a bunch of cut marks, give it that used look, and then age it by burning the heck out of it with the torch, all before the last step of laying down a couple of nice coats of dark wood stain. Pretty simple, right? Let's get started. All right, that's it. From this to this. Pretty simple, and I got a nice antique cutting board. For all those rustic shots, it's easy to make and only cost me like 20 bucks. To help you out with the exact specs, I'll put an article on weeattogether.com. The link will be below, and hey, if you make one, let me know. I'd love to check it out. All right, well, I got to shoot to make it too, so I'll see you in the next one.